Hello everyone. This is a tutorial of examples in formative assessment. Many of these assessments were adapted from Donna K. Beatty's Assessment in Art Education. The assessments are aligned with the Colorado Visual Arts Academic Standards. For more information about alignment and assessments, look at the CDE site and the link on this site as well. Our first example is guiding questions. They are formative questions that are open-ended and are created to move the student thinking to assess through their talking and writing about a specific application or idea. Here are two examples of guided questions given to students in a turn talk, then write protocol. Students rotate from table to table before they begin to respond to their question. They discuss the question with a partner at their table. This is a powerful way for all levels to rehearse and think through their ideas. It is equally as powerful to gather data by listening to the discussion. The rule is that students must explain their ideas and write their name next to their responses. You've just seen two examples from 6th grade. This is a 1st grade question. And the next is the 1st grade response. Here is another example of 1st grade question. And here are the responses from the 1st graders. Our next example is summarize the process. Summarizing the process can be ongoing in the classroom. For example, the portrait diagrams for grade 2 that you are about to see were created over time as students learned and practiced the skill of drawing a human portrait with proportion. Students also paired and shared their definition of key academic language and vocabulary. The final step was for the students to record their answer to the guided questions. Another example here is grade 5. Students answered questions about strategy and learning, as well as diagrammed the human figure in proportion. In both examples, the data collected about the responses, as well as the diagramming of the portrait and the figure paintings, was a clear guide to how deeply the students understood proportion, vocabulary, and the creative process. And lastly, learning charts. Like thinking maps or concept maps, learning charts are side by side with the student as they work on their final artwork. These two examples are from 6th grade value studies. The learning chart is a scaffold for the student in their practice of art applications. These examples are from 5th grade. They are skill-building charts. They are a way to see the students moving from both model to independent practice. There are many more formative assessments and data collecting tools on this site.